It's like, human sacrifice. Hello everyone, it's Lauren here. Welcome back for more Ghost. It's been a minute. Halloween, I was introduced to Ghost, which was fitting. And then I listened to another one of theirs at some point after that. And then I kind of took some time off around Christmas. And then I had to make fun of love for a whole month. So now we're back here, ready to be ghosted. So I just did a little refreshing. I haven't really listened to the two songs that I know in quite some time. So I just played them back to back so I could just get into the ghostness of it all. I'm not saying this was the most requested one or if this is the best one. I really have no idea. If you're not happy about the selection, let me know below what song I should have done, and maybe I'll do that next time. We're about to have a satanic ritual, I'm hoping. That's the only ritual worth having. Very interesting band, very unusual sound, and definitely not what you expect them to sound like based on what they look like, which you shouldn't do, but you know, everybody does. I'm hoping this sounds completely different than the last two, because those two songs could not sound more different. It's just crazy that they're the same band, so it's cool that they have different sounds. Oh, this is from their debut album. Okay, here we go. That was such a cool intro. Who are these people? Seriously. So, do they sound like a completely different group every song or just every album? Because I think the two that I've done were on different albums, I want to say. Time for research. The three that I've done now, including this one, are on 3 different albums and they sound like 3 different bands. And that's really cool. I know I paused it really early on, but I have to hear it again. I want to hear the intro again because that was really awesome. When they come in with the bass, yes. Yes, approved. I'm going to do it on my own. That way I can rock out without being seen. And then I'll come back and we'll get into the verse. And then I'll pause it again. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, but the coolest thing about this band, I think, and this applies to year 0 too, it's like the happiest sounding. I mean, you expect a line that says, this chapel of ritual smells of dead human sacrifices from the altar, to be like really dark and really like heavy and just like maybe demon sounding vocal, but no, this guy's just like, it's like, I love that. I love the juxtaposition of that. It's so funny. It's not funny. It's just cool. It's just such a cool thing. It's a little lighter than you would expect that kind of lyric to sound. So that's super cool. And also, I'm loving the like do that thing in the verse. I love that little thing. That's my favorite part of the song actually so far. Dun, 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 dun. Love that. This is just a very surprising band to me, just all around. Like, everything about them surprises me.
Pray for all to die. This
I know. Sorry. Was that him or is that a different guy? I think someone said that picture that I put in one of the videos with the guys that didn't have a mouth or something. Like, they're not actually in the band. Is that true? It's just the one guy. The one Swedish guy. Known former members. They got a lot of people listed here. What's with all these bassists? They've had 1, 2, 3, 4 bassists. Can't keep a bassist. They must have very high standards. There's obviously a lot about this band that I don't know. And I guess I'll figure it out as we go. Past members. What? Tobias. A group of nameless ghouls. That's fantastic. Oh my god. And they've had a lot of different labels. Like, what's the deal? Are they just trouble? Are they just rocking the boat and they get fired by their label and they have to start again? And then they get a new bassist every label? Give me some history so I don't have to read all this. Give me some history of this band below because I am curious why they have so many former members and they traded them all in for a group of nameless ghouls. That's just the greatest thing. Tobias and his group of nameless ghouls. That's fantastic. Okay, we just had the Lord's Prayer, but a demonic version. Interesting. Okay. Whatever you want to do. But I am curious if that's the same guy. I guess it is, though, since he's the only one, unless it's one of the nameless ghouls. I guess it could have been. But this says you sing at Frisco. I didn't hear him say that. Maybe Frisco is the one who did this part? Maybe? I don't know. All right, let me go back some. This is just such a strange... It's just so strange. Like, in a good way. I just never know what to expect. Like, even in this song, I have no idea what's to come. That's just cool. The unexpected. Expect the unexpected when you're dealing with a ghost. I guess that's fair to say. Bass time. Okay, I have, like, a whole lot of lyrics left. So what happened? Did I do the wrong version? That's sad. Okay, that was very interesting. That was a very interesting song. Is it my favorite one? I don't think so. I think I would probably put it... Let me listen to it again, and I could tell you that out of the three that I've heard. I'm thinking I would put it in the middle. But yeah, what an interesting band this is. Let me check it out again, and I will be right back. Hello again. Back. after my second listen of this ritual. I just can't get over how peppy it sounds matched with what he's saying. It's like, human sacrifice. It's so strange. But the highlight of this song, besides that, is that's the best part. Like, that's just easily the best part of this song. So I'm gonna stick with what I said before my second listen and put this in the middle. So here's my ranking. I would definitely be interested in another one because I just find it fascinating that they sound like completely different bands every song I hear. So I'm anxious to see what else they sound like. Just the peppiest human sacrifice song ever written, gotta be. So yeah, let me know below what I should do next. Give me some songs. Hopefully I could actually do a poll for the next one and have you guys vote. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you for another one. Have you seen the movie called Ritual on Netflix? I was not a fan of that. Oh, they got a MySpace link here. How old is this? Oh, let's check out their MySpace page. So thank you so much for this ghost encounter. Hopefully we got some good footage.